Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how you can add shipping to your big cartel. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm gonna show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now in my big cartel dashboard. So as you can see guys, I just created my big cartel account. So if you just created your account, you're gonna find in your dashboard these steps that you can follow in order to make uh, to get started a lot easier. So as you can see guys, here at the top, you're gonna find the categories, dashboard, orders, products, discount, and account. So the first thing that you need to do guys in order to add shipping is go ahead and click on account. Once you're here in the account page, scroll down until you find shipping. And once you find it, it's going to be like this, shipping profiles beta. So apply your shipping profile at checkout, default shipping profile, and product shipping profile. Go ahead and click on edit your shipping. And then you're going to be right here in this page. You can check or uncheck shipping profile beta. And if you go right here, you're going to find default shipping rates. And lastly, product shipping profile. So go ahead and click on add product shipping profile. Once you click on add, right here, you're going to find the name. So you can, for example, I'm going to name it profile one. And right here, you're going to find shipping rates. I don't have anyone yet. So go ahead and click on this plus in order to add a shipping rate. As you can see guys right here, there is the standards with tracking, which is free, next day, or customer pickup, or you can also add a shipping method. You can name it, describe it, and then add the price. Once you finish, go ahead and click on save, and then you're good to go. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.